So the question is, we have to choose or we have to match the material with its susceptibility value. It's known that the magnetic susceptibility is a dimensionless quantity that measures the degree of magnetization of a material in response to an applied magnetic field. Or else we can say it quantifies how easily a material becomes magnetized when exposed to the magnetic field. So here the question is having four type of magnetic material: dia, ferro, para and magnetic material. It's known that diamagnetic material will have a negative susceptibility with very less value. So here we can match diamagnetic in the list 1 to the option 2 in the list 2. Similarly, it's known that ferromagnetic material will have a large and positive susceptibility value. So we can match B with the third option in the list 2. Similarly, when we are checking the option C is given as paramagnetic material. Usually, paramagnetic material will have the magnetic susceptibility in positive but with a small value. So here we can match option C with 4 in the list 2. Whereas option D is given as non-magnetic material. It's known that non-magnetic material will not have a susceptibility value because it will not respond for the magnetic field. So here we can say it will be equal to 0. So based on this, we can say the correct answer for the question is option C.